budigod is back. Yay, with the same shirt he wore for his 50 subscriber special video, because he has a feeling that he is gonna hit 100 subscribers soon. Very, very soon. So I'm back to announce a new video series on my channel, Birds and the Revolution. Birds and the Revolution is a series about how the outer rim came to life and then it was destroyed before the birds came. The orders will be in the description below, and yeah, I think it's going to be a fun video series. Soon it'll end. The ending of the series will be coming soon because it's going to be a short series anyway. Birds and the Revolution. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Ow, sorry about that.